Good morning, everyone. Yesterday we learnt about the third form of business organization, that is partnership. It is an agreement that is based on the mutual understanding, mutual consent, and mutual contract between different people. Two or more than two persons can gather together, contribute the capital, bear the risk and losses, share the profits, and could carry on the business as per their will. Now we will learn about what are the different type of partners, who can be the different types of partners as per the condition in the contract. These are active partners, sleeping or dormant partners, secret partner, nominal partner, partner by estoppel. Now partner by holding out as given in your books is not in the syllabus, so we will not be learning about partner by holding out. So let us now begin. Who is an active partner? An active partner is a partner who takes active participation in the routine business activities. He contributes the capital, participates in the management of the firm, share the profits and losses in the business organization, is liable to an unlimited extent to the creditors of the firm, and takes actual part in carrying out the business of the firm on behalf of other partners. So this is such a partner who is an active member in the partnership, that is an active partner. Second type of a partner is a sleeping partner or a dormant partner. Dormant partner does not take part in the day-to-day activities of the business. Though he contributes the capital, he shares the profit and losses, he bears the unlimited liability, but his participation in carrying out routine activities is not there. So such a partner is called sleeping partner or dormant partner. Third type of a partner is a secret partner. The person who does not want to disclose his identity as a partner in a partnership firm. His association to the firm is not known to the general public. He participates in the management of the firm, contributes the capital, shares the profits and losses of the firm, bears the unlimited liability for the firm, but his identity is not disclosed as a partner to general public. So such a partner is called a secret partner. Then is nominal partner. Nominal partner is such a partner, such a person who enters the partnership contract, who signs the agreement, but only he is lending his name to be used. Sometimes when we start such a business concern partnership and we feel that a famous personality or the person who is already prospering in the business should be a part of your business. You request that person to become a member of your partnership firm or to lend his name to be used as a partner in your partnership firm. Such a partner is called the nominal partner. He or she, the person allows his or her name to be used by the firm as a partner, but he does not contribute any capital. Such a partner does not take active participation in the management of the firm, does not share the losses or profits of the firm, but remember, he has lent his name. So to general public, he is a partner, but only for the purpose of namesake. So in case of heavy losses, in case of failure, such a partner will be liable to pay off the debts or loans by covering even his personal property. So his liability is unlimited. Remember, nominal partner only lends his name. No capital contribution, no sharing of profits, no sharing of losses, no active participation in the business, but still he has the unlimited liability. Then is partnership by estoppel. Now this you need to understand very carefully. Though his or her own initiative, conduct or behavior gives an impression to the third party that he or she is a partner to the firm, actually person is not a partner. For example, I have a very close friend. Let me name her Ria. So Ria is very good friend of mine, and Dia is a partner with my partnership firm. So me and Dia both are partners, but Ria is my friend. Ria is not a partner. When I carry out any business meetings, any business contract, since Ria is my good friend, she also comes along with me for attending every meeting. Now everybody feels, and her gestures, because of her active participation as a friend, that make and understanding in the minds of the third party that she is also a partner. Actually, she is not a partner. Such a person is called the partner by estoppel, which is misunderstood by his or her conduct or behavior and gives an impression to the third party that the person is a partner, though actually she or he is not. The person is liable for the debts of the firm, as in the eyes of the third party they are considered to be partners. Even if they do not contribute any capital, they do not take part in the management of the firm, but their acts, they show others that they are the partners. That gives an impression that the person is a partner in the partnership firm. So in case any such thing happens during the case of heavy losses or failure of the business, then in such case partner by estoppel is required to disclose to the general public by issuing an affidavit or something. He or she will have to declare that I am actually not a partner. Otherwise, such person will also be liable to an unlimited extent. Now let us see what are the differences between the different types of partners on the basis of capital contribution. An active partner, sleeping or a dormant partner, secret partner, they all contribute the capital of the firm. They all invest money in the firm. But nominal partner gives only the name to the firm. Partner by estoppel is actually not a partner. So therefore, both of them will not contribute to the capital of the firm. Partner by holding out is not in our syllabus. Then on the basis of active participation in the management. Active partner participates actively, as well as secret partner also participates secretly in the partnership firm in the routine activities of the business firm. But sleeping or a dormant partner, nominal partner, partner by estoppel, they do not participate in the business organization's routine activities. On the basis of sharing of profits and losses, active partner, dormant partner, secret partner, they share the profits and losses of the business firm in the agreed ratio as per the agreement between them. Nominal partner does not generally share, and partner by estoppel will not share, because actually the partner, such a partner is not actually a partner in the business firm. So no sharing of profits or losses with such partner, such person. On the basis of liability, each type of a partner will have unlimited liability in case of heavy losses, in case of failure of the business. All the types of partners, active partner, sleeping partner, secret partner, nominal partner, partner by estoppel, everyone, all these partners will have unlimited liability, and they will have to bear the losses up to the even by covering their, even by losing their personal assets. So I hope that you are clear with the types of partners, and in the next video I will explain you about the types of partnership firms. Thank you all.